Hi, this is Jeremy from EFI. In partnership with TMS, we created a unique version of FireXF just for your workflow. This is a quick installation guide to help you install FireXF Server. The installation process is different depending on whether you will complete a new installation or an upgrade from version 6 or 7.1. Follow this guide if you currently have version 6 installed and will upgrade to 7.3. If you have any questions or need support during your installation, you can contact TMS support team directly, who will be happy to help. For this installation, you'll need the 7.3 installer, a new 7.3 license, and the version 6 uninstaller. All are provided by TMS. Before the version 7.3 can be installed, version 6 needs to be removed. It's important to know all Fiery software, including the configuration and prior jobs, will be removed. So if you have existing jobs in the queue, it's best to finish production before following this upgrade process. Don't worry, installing 7.3 takes just a few minutes, and you'll be quickly up and running with a new version. The first step, remove version 6. For version 6 removal, you'll need to follow this specific process. Don't use the Windows uninstall or remove apps function to remove version 6. Instead, run the included version 6 installer. This provides a more complete removal of Fiery. To begin, copy the uninstall FireXF executable to your system. Double-click the uninstaller to start. Confirm the Windows account control message if it appears, and the installer will run. After the dialog disappears, restart the PC. There will be no warning or confirmation message. Just wait for the dialog to disappear, and then do a normal Windows restart. After restart, you're ready to begin the installation. Start by mounting the ISO image to the PC. Once mounted, navigate to the Setup Application file. Run this by double-clicking, or right-click and select Run as Admin. If it appears, confirm the Windows account control message, and Next to begin the installation. Be sure to confirm the default install location. Once the installer is complete, click Finish to allow the installer to restart your computer. After the restart, if the Windows account control message appears, just click Yes to confirm. It's now time to activate your new 7.3 license. TMS has provided you with this license activation code. If you don't have a 7.3 license, reach out to TMS. As before, you can access the license activation via Fiery Server Control and manage licenses. This time, select Activate. Confirm the license agreement. Enter or paste your LAC code into the field above. Select Continue, and then confirm the license is correct and select Activate. And Finish to complete. FireXF Server is now running.